Iyo Sky is a top-tier Japanese professional wrestler signed to WWE's Raw brand. Known for her high-flying style and dubbed the Genius of the Sky, she is widely acclaimed as one of the best women wrestlers in the world. She began wrestling in March 2007 at age 16, teaming with her older sister Mio Shirai across Japanese indie promotions. She adapted the ring name to Shirai. She became the ace of the promotion, winning multiple championships including 2 World of Stardom titles, 2 Wonder of Stardom titles, 6 Artist of Stardom belts, ASWA, Goddesses and High Speed championships. She became Stardom's first Grand Slam champion and was a 3-time Tokyo Sports Joshi Grand Prize winner. From her early years in Japan to global acclaim in WWE, Iyo Sky has started an impressive career marked by high-flying athleticism, championship gold and fan favorite status. With her current reign as Women's World Champion, she stands as a defining force in women's wrestling, truly proving the sky is the limit. In Stardom, she is also a former 2-time Wonder of Stardom champion, 6-time Artist of Stardom champion, the inaugural SOA World Champion, 1-time Goddesses of Stardom champion and 1-time High Speed champion, making her the company's first Grand Slam champion. She was recognized as the Ace of Stardom and was the recipient of the 2015, 2016 and 2017 Tokyo Sports Joshi Pororezu Grand Prizes. Her run in Stardom coincided with the rise of her own stable, Queen's Quest, which carried on after Shirai's departure in 2018 until 2024. Shirai made her WWE debut at the 2018 Mae Young Classic tournament, where she lost in the finals to Toni Storm. She was later assigned to the next brand, where she officially turned heel for the first time in her career in 2019 and won her first championship in WWE, the Next Women's Championship, in June the following year. She made her debut on the main roster at SummerSlam in July 2022 under the new name Iyo Sky and subsequently became a member of Bayley's stable, Damage CTRL. After winning the Money in the Bank contract, she won the WWE Women's Championship at SummerSlam in August 2023 before losing it to Bayley at WrestleMania XL in April 2024. In March 2025, Sky won the Women's World Championship, making her the 10th WWE Women's Triple Crown Champion and the 7th WWE Women's Grand Slam Champion. Making her debut in March 2007, she spent several years working as a tag team wrestler, teaming with her older sister Mio, with whom she wrestled for various promotions across Japan and Mexico. In June 2010, she and her sister came together with Kana to form the Triple Tails stable, which lasted for 15 months, before to broke out of the group and embarked on her singles career in Stardom. In April 2013, she won the promotion's top title, the World of Stardom Championship, later holding it twice, with each reign lasting for over a year. She worked for Stardom from 2011 until 2018, when she signed with WWE.